Many of my events, the entry sheet comes in from a PDF, and what I want to be able to do is from that PDF be able to create folders within my viewing system. So I'm going to use a free online service. This is www.pdf2excel.com. I'm going to upload my entry sheet. That will convert it to Excel format. It takes a little while, and obviously the bigger the file, the longer it's going to take. And then here we are, free download. So I'm going to download it. I'm going to open that up in Excel, and we can see I've got the number of the horse, the name of the horse, and the name of the rider. And what I really want, because of GDPR, is just the number and the name of the horse. So in the first cell I'm going to set up a formula which is to join the two together. So equals concatenate brackets the horse number, and then I'm going to use a comma, speech marks, a hyphen, speech marks, comma, the name of the horse, close bracket, and hit return. And so I now have entry number 1, name of Harmony, and if I go back and highlight the cell and drag the little square down, I get all of the values in there. Now that's complicated, a bunch of information on there, and all I really need is this one column. So I'm going to highlight the column, right click, copy the column, go to a new sheet, and the important point here is I want to paste in the values and not the formula results. And so once I've done that, I'm going to save that file. I really want to save it as a simple text file. And if I look in the list somewhere down here, tab delimited text is perfect. I'm going to call it entry, and I'm going to save that. In my desktop I've already downloaded a program called text to folders, and I'm going to save it in the text to folders. Not really worried about what it's doing there. Click OK with that. Minimize the Excel, minimize my browser. Now text to folders is the really clever bit. I'm going to open the application and I'm going to browse to that on the desktop. So I'm going to create it in the same folder. You can create it anywhere you want to. And the text file again is in the same folder. And all I do, so I have my root folder here, the place where I wanted to create the folders. That can be anywhere. And then I have a text file which is the one that I created from Excel. Click on create folders, and if I close the program, you'll see the 20 folders have been created there. And all I'm going to do now is create a new folder which is 01 to 10. I'll come clear in a minute while I'm doing that. And another new folder of 11 to 20. And the reason for doing this is because you don't want too much on the screen to try and view at one time in Photo Parata. So that's the first in there. So I've now organised my folder structure. I'm going to open up Photo Parata very quickly. I'm going to create a new event. Okay, and today's date 2019-04-06. 3, and that's test 3rd of April 19. Going to create that. That's creating that. And quite simply, if I'm going to open up another window, there's my test there. There's my original images. Now there's nothing in there because I've created nothing in Photo Parata. What I'm going to do is take that, 2 collections of folders, cut them out of there, and stick them into the original images folder of Photo Parata. Just let that move those. Close down the 2 windows. And then the reason for creating a structure is, first of all, I do a category scan. Then I go to the folder and do an image gallery scan. Go to the folder, do an image gallery scan. And there I've quite simply taken my list of entries from a PDF, converted them to Excel, put them in text folders to create the folders, drag the folders into Photo Parata, and the job's all done.